All right. Okay. So, when it's a really easy problem, we already saw how easy it was to see the solution or the root on the calculator. Okay, let's put our phones up now. But, of course, you've been in algebra 2 long enough to know that they're never just going to leave it at the easiest problem. Okay, sorry. I wish we could. But then you're not learning that much. Okay, so I'm going to show you how in the calculator to find it when it's not a super straightforward answer, okay? It says here, when the solution's a decimal, okay? Whenever, if you look at the graph, the line crosses between two numbers. Okay, notice on the table, it only told us whole numbers. So if it is a decimal, then you're not going to be able to see both answers, right? Some of you may have done this method, second trace 5, in Algebra 1. I know I taught it to my Algebra 1 people, okay? If not, it's going to be new to you. It's pretty easy, okay? It tells you the calculator steps right here. Let's do one. We're going to do one that is a little bit easy just because it's our first time learning how to do this. Okay, so number 6, we're asking the same thing. What are the roots? This one's going to be x squared plus 8x plus 7 equals 0. Okay, we're looking for the zeros. We need these equations to be set equal to 0. Right, and that's what the first step says. Equation must be equal to 0. So, done. That's good. Right, then to put it in the calculator, right, we're going to solve this like you may have solved other things in the past. Okay, put the left-hand side, the equation in y1, and put 0 in y2. Okay? So I'm going to go to y equals. And this way we'll work on all the ones that we already just did as well. Okay, so I'm going to go to y equals. I'm going to put the equation in y1. X squared plus 8x plus 7. Then I have to put 0 in y2. Okay, that's what step 2 says. Right, and you can push graph before you do step 3 if you want to see how many solutions there's going to be. And again, this one's kind of an easy one because I like to start off easy when we're learning. Right, I can tell that there's going to be 2 roots, 2 solutions. And then we do this. Press second, trace, 5, enter 3 times. Okay, so second is the blue button. Second, trace is right here. Trace. We're looking for where it intersects the X-intercept, so 5. And then put enter, enter, enter. Right, and see the little blinking thing goes right there where we want. Okay, that's one intersection, -1, 0. Okay, so our roots, that's one of them. Right, now getting the second one, this one over here, is the part where people have a little bit of trouble. It's not hard, but what you have to do is, you have to do second trace 5 and don't push enter. Then move the cursor over to the other side. Okay, so to get this second one, we already found the first one. We'll do second trace 5 again, but now see, it's going to go to the one that it's closest to. We need to use the little arrow key. Use the left arrow. It'll travel down the parabola. Put it over on the other one we want to find. We already found -1. Okay, we want to find this one. All right, and that one is -7, 0. All right, again, that one was pretty easy because those were 2 whole numbers. Like we could have found them on the table. Here, if you look, -1, 0 and -7, 0. But again, we were just learning how to do it. So I wanted to show y'all the easy way. Right? Let's try the next one. Number 7. It'll be 5x squared minus 26x plus 5. All right, equals 0. All right, we'll do the same thing. Do these same steps. We go to y equals 0 is already in there, luckily, but we need to put our new equation up here. 5x squared minus 26x plus 5. All right, see, now we're seeing when it's a little bit bigger. It comes down right here. You can't really see it that well. It goes down, comes back up. Right, sometimes they're really big. They don't look perfect like the easiest ones that we've already seen. But you can see it's going to cross here and here. Right, so do second trace 5, enter, enter, enter. You have to do second trace 5, then move it. Before you push enter. Mm-hmm. So like, use the left and right arrows.
No, I'm not talking about the first one.
Right, let me see.